Turkish President Erdogan criticizes the U.S. for sending warships to the eastern Mediterranean to support Israel after Hamas attack. He questions the U.S. aircraft carrier's presence near Israel, warning of potential massacres. Erdogan emphasizes Turkey's support for Palestinian independence and urges to prevent a broader escalation in the conflict. The U.S. aims to deter and support Israel, but hasn't indicated direct involvement. Erdogan's remarks risk straining Turkey's improving relations with Israel. He discusses conflict containment with Russia's Putin. U.S.-Turkey tensions rose after the U.S. shot down a Turkish drone.